How to secure AI pipelines with Claude. Best practices. In this video, we are going to learn efficient methods to secure AI and ML pipelines using Claude, focusing on identifying security flaws and enhancing system robustness. In a world where AI systems are increasingly targeted by malicious activities, securing AI pipelines has never been more crucial. Did you know that nearly 30% of AI systems experience security breaches every year? Today, we're diving into how Claude, a leading AI security tool, can help you safeguard your AI and ML pipelines. We'll explore Claude's security features, common threats, and how to integrate it seamlessly into your workflows. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to enhance your AI pipeline's robustness.
Claude is more than just a security tool, it's a comprehensive solution for safeguarding AI systems. With its real-time monitoring and advanced threat detection algorithms, Claude provides continuous vigilance over your AI pipelines. Its user-friendly interface allows even non-technical users to configure and monitor security settings efficiently. What sets Claude apart is its adaptability. It scales effortlessly with your projects, ensuring seamless integration regardless of the size and complexity of your AI systems. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Claude offers the flexibility you need to maintain robust security.
AI pipelines face numerous security threats that can compromise data integrity and system functionality. Data poisoning, where attackers inject malicious data to corrupt AI models, is a prevalent threat. Model inversion attacks aim to extract sensitive data by reversing AI models. Adversarial attacks manipulate inputs to deceive AI systems into making incorrect predictions. Insider threats, often overlooked, can be equally damaging when unauthorized access leads to data breaches. Additionally, vulnerabilities during data transit can expose sensitive information. Understanding these threats is the first step in developing a robust security strategy with Claude. Integrating Claude into your existing ML workflows is a straightforward process that enhances your pipeline's security without disrupting operations. Claude is compatible with popular ML frameworks such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, allowing for seamless integration. Its customizable security settings enable you to tailor security protocols to meet specific needs. Claude also features automated threat response systems that react swiftly to potential breaches, reducing the time between detection and action. To ensure smooth integration, Claude offers comprehensive user training and support, making it accessible for teams of all sizes and expertise levels. Claude's real-time threat detection capabilities are designed to keep your AI pipelines secure around the clock. With instant alerts and advanced detection algorithms, Claude can identify threats before they escalate. Its continuous monitoring system ensures that your AI models are always under vigilant watch. The intuitive dashboard provides a centralized hub for managing threats, allowing you to respond promptly and effectively. Claude has been fine-tuned to reduce false positives, ensuring that you focus on genuine threats without unnecessary distractions. This proactive approach is key to maintaining a secure AI environment. Setting up Claude for optimal security performance involves a few key steps. Begin with the initial setup, ensuring that Claude is correctly configured to align with your security needs. Customize security protocols to reflect the specific threats your AI pipeline might face. Regular updates and system maintenance are crucial for staying ahead of emerging threats. Claude's performance can be optimized by leveraging user feedback, which helps refine security measures over time. These practices ensure that Claude operates at peak efficiency, providing robust protection for your AI systems.
Let's explore some real-world applications where Claude has successfully secured AI pipelines across various industries. From healthcare to finance, Claude has proven its adaptability and effectiveness. For instance, a leading healthcare provider used Claude to protect patient data, achieving zero data breaches post-implementation. In the finance sector, Claude helped a major bank prevent potential fraud by detecting anomalies in real time. These success stories highlight the lessons learned and the scalability of Claude's solutions. Customer testimonials further underscore its reliability and the peace of mind it brings to organizations. While Claude is designed for ease of use, users may occasionally encounter issues during setup or operation. Common setup issues include incorrect configuration settings or integration conflicts with existing systems. Resolving these involves checking compatibility and following best practice guidelines. False positives, though reduced, can occur and may require fine-tuning of detection parameters. Improving system performance involves regular updates and maintenance. Claude provides extensive support resources, including documentation and a dedicated support team, to help users troubleshoot and resolve issues efficiently.
The future of AI pipeline security is set to evolve with emerging technologies and increased focus on data privacy. AI itself is playing a pivotal role in enhancing security measures, offering predictive threat analysis that anticipates potential vulnerabilities. As IoT and edge computing become more prevalent, integrating these with AI security systems like Claude will be crucial. The importance of data privacy cannot be overstated, and future trends will see a tighter integration of privacy-preserving technologies within security frameworks. Staying ahead of these trends will ensure your AI systems remain secure and resilient. As we conclude, remember the importance of taking proactive measures to secure your AI pipelines. Claude offers a robust, adaptable solution to safeguard your systems against an array of threats. We've explored its features, real-world applications, and the future of AI security. Now, it's time for you to take action. Implement Claude to protect your AI investments today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your network. Let us know your thoughts and any topics you'd like us to cover next. Stay tuned for more insights on securing your digital assets.